All right, here goes the letter C in 2-point perspective. Draw our horizon line. We're going to use our two edges where the horizon line meets the sides of our paper as our vanishing point. Create your block. It's going to be about that tall. This is your hinge. Got to have the left side, so angle to the left vanishing point and draw in what your left side will look like. And then we're going to create it on the right, so extend that out a little bit farther towards the right vanishing point, maybe about there. And draw your line, and there is our block. Now the letter C, to keep it block style, is going to have a vertical rectangle, a bottom rectangle, and a top rectangle. Looks sort of like that. So the next step, I think, would be this vertical. Pretty easy. Drawing a line. Looks something like that. Done. Remember, no horizontals. We're swinging this slightly open to the right, so we need to use the right vanishing point to create the bottom edge. Maybe there. Done. And the top edge. There. And that one is done. All right, no Frankenstein, so we need to erase. And this is no longer part of our letter, so we need to erase as well. Now, when you erase, keep in mind, you're going to have to do something with those corners, possibly. So we're going to check those corners. We created this on the right side, so we have to scan on the left. So, looking back at that hinge, it's going from top to bottom, so we need this whole line. We're not changing that at all, so we can shade that in as a medium value. And now I'm going to put my pencil on my left vanishing point, and I'm going to scan those other corners. That one could not work because it'll draw through our letter. This one will work. I'm only going to go about that far, and I'm going to show you a step right here. If you stop here, it's as if we're creating a back corner. We're creating a back edge because we should be able to look up and see that. If you want to do a smooth little move, just change your ruler to the right vanishing point and draw that line. Look at front edge, back edge, and we can shade that in nice and dark. And then when I go back to scanning, pencil point on the left, vanishing point, keep scanning. Can't send that one, can't do anything with that one. That's all there is to the letter C. Now, if we make it a thin slice, what's going to change is this. See if you can wrap your brains around it. I'm going to have a thin slice C, say that that is how far back that side is going. Well, that changes this. That means I need it to relate. It's going back too far. So I'm going to use my right vanishing point. And then just slide my ruler. Maybe I'll go up from above. Right vanishing point. Maybe there. That kind of relates. Draw that line in. This would be all filled in. And we'd erase away the rest of it. My eraser is terrible, so you're going to have to just trust me on it. There you go. Letter C in 2-point perspective.